20 goes into this. You could slash that and say I got 4. 20 goes into this, slash that, I got 5. Cross multiply, divide, okay? So I could get 5x is equal to, well, what is 4 times this? So 4 times that would be 20. Get my 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Do that. 8. Got the 1. 4 times that is 8. That 9. So 980. So we had 980. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So x equals, well, I know that 5 goes into 80 16 times. 5 goes into 900. It goes into 90. What is it? 18 times. And so it means it goes into, 5 goes into that 180 times. So that would be 100 and, what is that? 96. So that's your answer, okay? 80% of 245 is 196, okay? That's how we could get our answer for that. Next over here, let's set up our proportion again. What percentage of 40 is 30? What percent? So what am I looking for? I'm looking for the percent. I mean, do you see a percent anywhere on here? Nope. Well, that means I'm going to look for a percent. So I can go ahead and set up my thing where I have my percent over 100. I don't know my percent, so that's my x. Is equal to is over of, or part over whole. See, is over of. The is 30. The part is, sorry, the is 30. The of is 40. There we go. We could reduce and then cross multiply. You would get 3 over 4, cross multiply, and you end up with 4x is equal to 300. You could divide by 4, x is equal to 75, okay? Simple enough. Last problem we're going to do is here we have 310 is 50% of what number? Of what? Of what? We don't know the of. That's what we don't know. So we need to create our, once again, parts here, okay? So we have the 100. We know the percent this time. It's 50. We know the is 310. And we know that our variable goes here because we don't know the of. It's of what? So we could reduce to 1/2. We could cross multiply, and we would get x, because 1 times x, is equal to 2 times 310 is 620. And we're done, because that one worked out pretty easily. With no dividing needed because we multiplied by the 1. So I want you to notice something. Notice that when we are looking for these things, x is in a different spot each time. If you're looking for the is, it's in this spot. If we're looking for the percent, it will be in the percent spot, and this time it's on the bottom. So we have 1 on the top over here, 1 on the top over here, and 1 on the bottom. The only thing that stays constant is we have 100 in the same spot each time. So this is the formula you use to solve these kind of problems. We'll go over more examples in class, and you also need to know that sometimes you can be dealing with, just like we saw before, percentages that are more than 100. So we will have examples like that in class. Just focus on learning the method that we showed right here, okay? All right, I'll see you then. Ta-ta, bye-bye. Ooh, creepy hands.